Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We got 3 trains going around. We have the Santafe double engines, the 218 from Santafe passenger cars. We have the steam locomotive 2026 from the late 40s pulling passenger cars. Everything's looking good. There's we got the Toy Train Corporation Society and then Missouri. And here comes the Santafe over here with the dual motors pulling Santafe passenger cars. Everything's looking good. And if you could, please subscribe to me at YouTube with Charlie's Trains 9169. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.